this point, you probably have all your stuff in a folder, but let's take and create let's do that for mine. So I'm going to create a new folder. So new folder. I'm going to call this ball demo. If you already have a ball or ball demo folder, you don't have to do this. And we're going to take all these things, and really, I don't care about the single images. We're going to take the ones that actually matter. I'm holding Control to select the things I want. I'm going to drag it all to ball demo. Now, inside ball demo, it's still kind of messy. I have lots and lots of images here. Let's create a file directory structure. So we're going to create a new folder called images. And I'm going to drag all the images into there. And now let's create two folders, one for ball and a new folder called player ball. And I'm going to grab all these images, put them in here. I'm going to grab these 4 images and put them in here. Now, unfortunately, my code's not going to work now because it's not going to know where the images are. So we have to go change. I'm going to make sure I'm saving this over. Save, replace, save. The problem is I saved a file I moved the file that was opened up. So you just have to save these back over themselves in the ball demo folder. Now, when we load the images, instead of just ball here, we have to give it the entire path. So for the ball, that is going to be images/ball. So we're going to do images /ball/ball1.png. We use backslash because the / has a different meaning in. We want to use / rather, not backslash. Windows uses backslash for folder files, but in programming, the backslash is the escape character that lets you do things like new line. So we use / and Python automatically interprets that the right way. So I'm going to paste that in there. And I'm going to go to my player ball and I'm going to paste it, but I'm going to go, instead of ball, I'm going to do player ball and copy that path. So it does add some more text to these, but now our programming folder is much more organized. I only have code here. Inside here, I have images. If I had sounds, I'd make a folder called sounds and then have folders for each of the objects. Or I could do objects and then image and sounds. It doesn't matter as long as things are consistent. I'm now going to save all and let's run it. And the game works the same way, at least it should, but we didn't change, but everything's a lot more organized. So now we're ready to add a HUD because now we can add images for the HUD. We have a way to organize them. We have animations. And it's starting to really feel like a game. If I want to slow down these animations because they're a little fast, I can do that very easily by going into my animate and changing the animation timer max to be, instead of 6, we can do 5. If we test that out now, the animation should run a little slower. That looks a little better. And that's easily tunable. I could also add more images to make it look smoother. But I now have a game that feels more alive because everything's moving and animating.